Hello, welcome to Side A, Side B. Today we're going to be bringing in an algorithm that does a two-corner solve, and it's something extra for you. And we're going to be turning that first daisy into 6 daisies, and it's going to be completion solving the Rubik's Cube. Congratulations, you're almost there. First, if you recall the last algorithm we did, if this is our front, it oriented the corners. And this piece stayed where it is, and these 3 corner pieces rotate in a clockwise direction. And when you think about it, 2 things are apparent with the previous algorithms. First, the pieces the algorithm applies to and what those pieces do. This algorithm that does a 2-corner solve applies to these 2 corner pieces. Okay? So the algorithm that we're going to be doing applies to these 2 corner pieces. If this is our front. If this is our front, it's going to apply to these 2 corner pieces. All right, and what these pieces do is these green side will move up to the green, this red goes to the red, this white goes to the white. And what it does is solve these 2 pieces, okay? But if, like, for example, if this is our front, and if we do that algorithm, it applies to these 2 corner pieces. And if we do it on this side, if this is our front and then this is our right side, this green side will go up to the green, this white will go up to the white, okay? This yellow will go to the yellow, and this red will go to the red. It'll solve this piece, but it won't solve this piece, okay? This piece, this white will go up to here. This red will go to here, and this green will go to the red. Okay, it'll solve one corner, but it won't solve the other. And again, if this is our front, if we choose this as our right side, this is orange and red. This orange will go up to the orange, and this red will go up to here. And actually, none of these 2 corners will be solved if I do that. The more you do the cube, the more you'll learn these algorithms, and you'll know exactly what they'll do. So, but for now, what we want is these 2 headlights. When we apply this algorithm, we want this as our front, because these are, if you notice, they look like headlights, and this is what we want. All right, so let's apply that algorithm, and again, I'll shout it out loud for you. It's R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, 2, L, U, L prime, U, L. There you go. These 2 corner pieces are solved. Here. Okay. Now we go to this. Now, you're going to see that eventually you're going to see that when all these 4 corner pieces are in their correct spots, you're going to see that you're no more than 2 applications of this algorithm to solve the cube. Okay? but we have a green U, But if we want to solve the cube with just 2 applications of this algorithm, we need to change our front and U. When we apply that algorithm, we want to apply that algorithm one more time. And as it turns out, the headlights are yellow. So our U can change. This is a green, but the size that we want is these 2 headlights right here. So this is the side that we want. Okay, but I'll just do this algorithm just for the sake, just to show you. Okay, if I apply this algorithm, if we keep our green as our U, and if I apply that algorithm, this orange is going to go up to here, and this red is going to go up to here. Okay, but if you notice, the green will move to here, and this green will also move to here, and then we're going to be set up for success. Okay, let's apply this algorithm again. So this is our front, and I'll shut it out for you again. It's R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, 2, L, U, L prime, U, L. Okay, and that's what it did. After we applied it, it turned. It brought the orange and red up, and it turned these 2 green sides to where we want them to be solved. Okay, now now here's our headlights. We're set up for success. We apply that algorithm again, and I'll shut it out again. It's going to be R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, 2, L, U, L prime, U, L. And there you go. Congratulations. We had a solved Rubik's Cube. But if you notice, if you do the Rubik's Cube long enough, you're gonna find out for yourself. But if you go back to this video, you're gonna realize we're no more than 2 applications away from solving the cube, because we had these yellow headlights. Okay, now that was our first example. Now we're going to do an example where one corner is solved. So let's do that. Okay. Okay. Now we have an example where we have one corner is solved. All the four corners are in their correct spots and one is solved. And again, we already know what the algorithm, what two pieces the algorithm applies to and what the pieces actually do. So again, we're no more than two applications away from solving the cube. Okay, so this is what we look out for. So we know the algorithm applies to these two corner pieces. Okay, and here's a piece that goes up to the green, and this piece goes up into the orange. Okay, so that's this is a good side to apply that algorithm, because this piece will move up and it'll be solved, and this piece will also move up and it'll create our two headlights. This orange side will go up and to orange, and then afterwards we'll have our two orange headlights, and we can apply the algorithm and the cube will be solved. Like for example, if I apply the algorithm on this side, if this is our front, if I apply the algorithm on this side, this piece will go up to green, this piece will go up and yellow will be facing up. If I do that, this corner piece will be solved, and this piece will not be solved. So what'll leave me is this corner piece will be solved, and this corner piece will be solved, and it'll be a diagonal. And then we'll have to do the algorithm again. But we are in the realm of personal choice. But for now, to solve the cube, we want to apply the algorithm no more than 2 times. We want to follow the direction of the headlights. Okay, so this is the side, this is our front, and this is the right side. This is the side that we should do that 2-corner solve on. Okay, so again, let's do that again. So it's R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U, 2, L, U, L prime, U, L. And there we go. We have our two corner pieces that are solved. This piece moved up and solved, and this piece went up to orange, which makes our orange headlights. Now, in the first example, I kept our U, I kept the green as our U, but we had to apply that algorithm 3 times to solve the cube, remember? But as I said, when you're at this stage where the 4 corners are in their correct spots, you're no more than 2 applications of the 2-corner solve to solve the cube. Okay, here we can change our U. Here's our headlights, and we just change our U. And this becomes our front now, and this becomes our right side, because these are our headlights. This is actually in the direction where we want to go, the headlights. Okay, let's apply that algorithm one more time. All right, for the solve, R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. L prime, U, 2, L, U, L prime, U, L, and voila. You now have a solved Rubik's Cube. Beautiful, congratulations.